Hello students, the topic which we are going to learn today is need for information system. So why do we need an information system in an organization? The first point is effective decision making. All retail outlets have got the retail information system and all the sales data is being recorded in the information system. For example, if a sales manager needs to take a decision of having a particular product or to discontinue the product and having in the retail shelves, he will look into the sales report which can be retrieved from the information and then make a effective decision of whether to have or discontinue the product. The second point is it facilitates communication both inside and outside the organization. So coordination is required between the departments. Maybe it is required between the HR department and the manufacturing department or the sales department and the finance department. So the information is being exchanged between departments. And also that requires a coordination between the manufacturing department and the supplier who is external to the organization. So information and communication also happens between the organization and outside the organization. That is the second point. Third point is it records all the business transactions. You go to a retail outlet, you buy a product, all the goods which are sold are recorded in the information system of a retailer. The fourth point is it reduces uncertainty. Having an optimum level of inventory is very important for any organization because if you're going to overstock the product, it creates loss. And if you're going to understock the product, you're going to lose the customers. So having optimum level of inventory is important and that can be decided only based on the sales data, which is given by the information system. The next point is it helps to access relevant, accurate, and up-to-date information. For example, Zara has got a online tracking of inventories. With the help of that, it will be able to access the inventory levels at any point of time. Thereby, it gets the accurate and the relevant information in a timely manner. Moving on to the next point, it achieves high levels of efficiency and productivity operations. Obviously, having a optimum level of inventory or making a right decision at the right time will increase the efficiency and thereby reduce the losses for any organization. Therefore, the productivity is also increasing. The next point is helps protect the data from unauthorized access. Any information system can be accessed only with a login ID and a password. So this gives secured access to the information. Unauthorized access is completely prohibited in information system. Reduces paperwork because either automatic recording of data is happening or else using the barcode scanner, the recording of data is also happening in an electronic way. So paperwork is reduced to the maximum extent. Moving on to the next point, it collects data from multiple sources, analyzes it, and generate actionable information for decision making. For example, a patient goes for a master health checkup. So he first goes, gives his blood to test the cholesterol levels or the blood sugar levels, and then he goes to a treadmill test to test his heart rate, and then he goes to scanning. So by the end of the day, he gets a report from all the departments. It is a consolidated report which he gets, and also the actionable information, whether his cholesterol levels are high or the blood sugar levels are high, what should be done for that. The actionable information is also be mentioned in the report. This is how the information is consolidated from different departments and the report is generated in single format. The next point is it manages people and resources anywhere and anytime. So you can access your electronic medical records at any point and any time if you're going to have a login ID and password with Apollo. You are going for a master health checkup in Apollo and you want to access the electronic medical records, you will be given a login ID and password. Based on that, you can access the medical history as well as the different history of a patient can be accessed. Final one is solve complex business queries related with business transaction. At a particular point, knowing the inventory levels, or at a particular point, knowing the sales information. These are all complex business queries which the normal software will not do. Information system will be really helpful in accessing all these information. So this is about the need of information system. Thank you all.